Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynne. I'm a mom. I have a 3-year-old son and another one due in 2 weeks. Yes, 2 weeks from today is my due date. I have a full-time job and I'm about 30 days into an experiment with Poshmark. I'd like to say I'm a part-time reseller. I don't know if I've earned that title just yet. I stopped by a Goodwill in my area. It's actually, I'd never been there before because it's brand new. And I have to tell you, I've heard a lot of talk about Goodwills raising their prices. And I don't remember any Goodwill being as expensive as this place. I was able to find a few things, so I'm going to show those to you now. I also stopped into one of my favorite thrift stores that has deals with color tags every day. So I always go in and just look for whatever color tag is 50% off that day. But anyways, you know, the denim is what really surprised me with my Goodwill. I was like, am I at TJ Maxx? Am I at Ross? Seriously, the prices were that high. But I was able to find a few things, like I said. I'm still researching brands, learning about different brands, but I definitely can tell a quality piece when I come across it, you know, searching through a bunch of junk. One of the items is this Charles Gray London size 10. It's a women's tweed. It's got black, mostly black, pink, blue, like a mint green. But I just thought this would be really cute for the fall. And it has one button, actually 2 buttons. It has some cute little pockets and really nice lining. So it's in great condition. This was a beautiful piece I picked up for $5.99. The next item, not really a brand I was familiar with, but it was a cute style, was this Chloe K cold shoulder top. It's like boho, bell sleeves. It's like a sheer top. You could wear a camisole under. It's actually blue and white, but I just thought it was so cute. It has a tie here in the front also. This was $4.99. It probably won't resell for very high, enough to at least get double is what I'm hoping for. Okay, this next item is a men's item. I have a few men's items listed in my closet. This particular item is a beautiful Ted Baker dress shirt. You know, just, you could feel the quality, you could see the quality on this. I mean, it's just beautiful. Found it for $4.99. I think some of the polos were like $8.99. I think Ted Baker is more expensive than polo, and for some reason this was only $4.99, so I picked that up and I'm really excited about that. This is something that I would want for myself. I'm gonna list it in my Poshmark closet. It's not gonna be a high selling item either, but I just thought this was so cute. This is a New Day. It's a Target brand, but it is just like a striped sweatshirt, and it's almost like a knit sweatshirt, but I just thought it was so cute. It has a hood. It's definitely my style, something I would wear when I'm not pregnant. But it also has, like, you know, the pockets. So I loved this. $4.99. Again, even if I just list it at $15, I was just drawn to this because it was one of the best things that I found there, and I would wear it for myself, so I bought it. Okay, those are the 4 things. Well, I guess that would be 8. Those are the 4 things I found at Goodwill. So let's move on to a little bit more exciting items and better prices, honestly, too. This first item is Torrid. I haven't sold anything from Torrid, but I keep hearing that Torrid does really well on Poshmark. This is a size 4. Super cute. Ruffled sleeves, little tie detail on the neck. It's just really cute. So I was excited to find that. This is Material Girl. This is not a brand that I think is really high-end, but the dress is really cute. It's just a black and white striped bodycon, but it has some cool detail, capped sleeve, and then, you know, the black on the side, so it gives that nice illusion of a figure. This is a size small, and it's probably like a pencil length skirt, so I thought that was cute. The next item is a brand that I don't know, I hear good things and bad things. I know I have jeans, actually some capris right now that are cut from the cloth listed in my closet. This is a top cut from the cloth. I thought it was super cute. Cow neck, dolman sleeves, 3/4 length, but it's just this really kind of cute tan color. So again, this is something that I would wear, and so I picked it up. Okay, the next item, I wasn't familiar with this brand, but this is another item that when I saw it, I knew it was probably something good. This is an easel sweater. It's a cold shoulder, long sleeve. It's like a peach and gray. Now when I looked it up, I saw some people list it as a sweater, some people list it as a sweater dress. I'm gonna show you a picture of a model wearing it. So, you know, you could do either one. If you're comfortable wearing it as a dress, more power to you. If you wanted to wear it with some leggings or tights or some skinny jeans, I think it would be cute either way, but I really like that. Last item I found were Laundry by Shelly Siegel wrap dress. You can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. It has a little collar, 3/4 sleeves, little split detail on the sleeve, but it's just a nice little midi wrap dress. I found a picture online that was similar but a different print, but it just shows the fit. So you can see it's really cute. This is in great condition. So I was really excited to find this. Those are the latest finds that I have added to my closet. If you like any of them, here's my closet name. I'm also going to link it down below. Visit my closet, give me a like, send me an offer, and stay tuned for more because I have some exciting things coming up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, leave me a comment, hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.